Hey, it's Bruce. We're down at Asheville Trash to Treasures U-Haul dealership, and just letting you know we open at 6 a.m. and stay open till 8 p.m. 7 days a week. We're right across the road from the Sweeten Creek Antique Mall, and we always try our best to have auto transports. A great tool if you're moving to save gas and is to pull your car behind you. Makes moving a little less stressful. Today's Saturday morning. We're open Saturdays and Sundays and still open at 6 a.m. And we have 26-foot trucks, and we have 20-foot trucks, and we have the auto transport trailer. We have 3 of those on the property at the moment. Some of them are going out this morning. And then we have this little open trailer, which is great for motorcycles. It has the wheel, place for the wheel, and lots of tie downs. And then if you're on vacation in Asheville or come to see the Biltmore house, definitely stop by our shop. So dogs welcome. We have really cool antiques and some weird stuff. At 122 Sweeten Creek Road, Asheville, North Carolina, 28803. That's Asheville Trash to Treasures, your new U-Haul dealer. Longest hours in Buncombe County, 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. We appreciate your business. Hope it shows. 122 Sweeten Creek Road, Asheville, North Carolina. AshevilleTrashToTreasures.com. Not far from Interstate, real close to Fun Depot, right across the road from Amazing Savings, not too far out of Biltmore Village. Right on the left, if you go underneath Interstate headed to Biltmore Village, lots of U-Haul trucks. Looks like a big flea market yard sale. Stop by and see us. We always have free coffee.